All right, good morning. My name's Dave Adkins, and I have a 2018 Tacoma. I went with Paradox's Signature Series muffler, just a single muffler on a stock exhaust. All I had them do was cut out the exhaust. Paradox was very helpful with getting me in touch with a muffler shop near me, and I am in Summerfield, Florida, near Ocala. So John at Modern Muffler installed the system for me. It's a completely stock system except for the muffler, and I'm very happy with it. No drone. It's got some sound. I'm actually thinking about buying another Signature Series and putting it on and running true duals on it. But for right now, it's just got the muffler in there. They cut the muffler out and it used a stock tailpipe. And the sound, I'm pretty happy with it. As you'll see when it fires up, it has the resonator. So at first it's a little loud, but then it quiets down. You'll notice that it'll quiet down. But when you're going down the road and everything like that, it does. It's got a nice sound to it. But it will quiet down, as you notice. But I think it's because the factory, it's got the cats and the factory, the resonator. So I think it quiets down a little bit. But this is the idle. Very happy with their product. Very happy with it. I would buy another one. Like I said, I'm thinking about getting another Signature Series stainless and actually running true duals on it. I would recommend them to anybody. It's a nice sounding muffler, and makes the system, gives the truck some sound and a nice throaty sound to it, and it's not obnoxious. Notice that there, it just went away when after it warms up for a minute, but once you put a load on it, it does come back. So hope this helps anybody that wants to was thinking about Paradox and wasn't sure. No drone, everything's perfect with the muffler. Thanks.